Hello, online students. Today, we'll take a look at 6 tips to help you with your online discussion posts. In most courses, you'll find these in each unit and they will represent a significant portion of your grade. Number 1, read the instructions, and then read them again. Students sometimes miss points for not addressing all parts of the prompt. While discussions can be relatively informal, some may require citations. This should be in the instructions, but if not, feel free to clarify with your instructor. Also, make sure to pay attention to the required word count. In most cases, you may find it helpful to exceed the minimum. Most discussions will have a rubric associated with them. This is exactly what the instructor will likely utilize to grade you. These are often things like whether or not you show real evidence of utilizing your readings, your originality, participation, engagement with other students, and spelling and grammar. Before you make your post, you might grade yourself using the rubric and make adjustments as needed. An excellent post usually isn't going to be the result of simply Googling. You'll actually find it less time consuming if you just go straight to the source material. Read the relevant portion of your text or assigned article, and utilize some specific information that is of interest to you. For example, you might refer to a theorist who is mentioned. In a psychology course, this may be someone like B.F. Skinner, while in an American history course, it could be Thomas Jefferson. Note whether or not your professor wants citations included. If you are using a direct quote, you'll probably want to use them whether they're required or not. And a minor related tip related to my own experience as a student, if there is a quiz in the unit, I found it helpful to do the quiz before my discussion. Just through the process of taking the open book quiz, I gained a better understanding of the material. To get the most out of your discussion, try to participate on more than one day. If you post your original post on 3 p.m. on Friday, and then post your responses to your classmates just a few minutes later, you could possibly lose points. So let's say you make your original post on Monday or Tuesday, come back on the next day and respond to your classmates. Don't be afraid to show your real personality. Keep it professional, but show some creativity in your thinking rather than just stating basic facts that you've read. Be polite, yet authentic in your disagreements or questions regarding the posts of others. At the end, ask yourself if your post is not only correct, but is it also interesting? And our last tip. Be sure to proofread and check for spelling and grammatical errors. Read it again and see if you can make some better word choices. If citations are required, format them appropriately as assigned. I hope that these tips have been helpful. Before we close, remember to look at your instructor's feedback on your first discussion post and make any needed changes in future posts. Remember, at the University System of Georgia's eCampus, we are committed to your success and are always ready to assist you.